Best careers for the conscientious. C. Personality in the DISC model. Are you someone who values precision, logic, and accuracy? Do you prefer to make well-researched, data-driven decisions and thrive in structured environments? If so, you might have a conscientious C personality type in the DISC model. Understanding your personality can help you choose a career that aligns with your strengths, allowing you to excel and find fulfillment in your work. In this video, we'll explore the best career paths for conscientious personalities, why they fit, and how you can leverage your strengths for career success. We'll also discuss common challenges and how to overcome them. Let's dive in. Section 1, Understanding the Conscientious C personality. People with a high C personality are known for being detail-oriented. They focus on accuracy, quality, and precision. Analytical thinkers. They excel in data analysis, logical reasoning, and structured decision-making. Systematic and organized. They prefer clear rules, well-defined processes, and order. Independent workers. They thrive in roles that allow for deep focus and minimal interruptions. Cautious decision makers. They take time to evaluate risks and analyze data before acting. Perfectionists. They set high standards for themselves and others. Because of these traits, conscientious personalities excel in technical, data-driven, and highly structured careers. Section 2. Best careers for conscientious C personalities. Scientists and researchers. Why it fits. Research-based roles require critical thinking, accuracy, and attention to detail, strengths of a C personality. Examples: medical researcher, data scientist, chemist, biotech specialist. Skills needed: analytical skills, problem solving, research methodology. Challenges: balancing perfectionism with deadlines. Engineers and technical professionals. Why it fits. Engineering fields require structured problem solving and precision. Examples: civil engineer, mechanical engineer, software engineer, aerospace engineer. Skills needed: technical expertise, structured thinking, attention to detail. Challenges: adapting to fast-changing technologies. Finance and accounting professionals. Why it fits. Finance roles require accuracy, risk assessment, and data analysis. Examples: accountant, financial analyst, investment risk manager, actuary. Skills needed: mathematics, financial planning, critical thinking. Challenges: managing stress from high responsibility. Legal and compliance professions. Why it fits. Legal work demands logical thinking, meticulous attention to detail, and strict adherence to regulations. Examples: lawyer, compliance officer, contract analyst, intellectual property specialist. Skills needed: research, legal analysis, documentation, problem solving. Challenges: managing tight deadlines and high-pressure situations. IT and cybersecurity specialists. Why it fits. Information security and IT roles require meticulous attention to detail, problem solving, and technical expertise. Examples: cybersecurity analyst, database administrator, IT auditor, AI developer. Skills needed: coding, risk management, structured problem solving. Challenges: keeping up with fast evolving technology. Medical and healthcare professions. Why it fits. Healthcare roles that involve diagnosis, precision, and methodical procedures suit C personalities. Examples: radiologist, pathologist, pharmacist, clinical data analyst. Skills needed: precision, patience, research skills. Challenges: handling unpredictable patient outcomes. Academics and education specialists. Why it fits. Teaching and academic research require structured thinking and expertise in a subject. Examples: university professor, curriculum developer, scientific author. Skills needed: research, documentation, critical thinking. Challenges: balancing research with student interactions, quality control and auditing. Why it fits: ensuring quality, compliance, and accuracy are key responsibilities of these roles. Examples: quality assurance analyst, process auditor, ISO compliance specialist. Skills needed: attention to detail, problem solving, risk assessment. Challenges: managing resistance to process changes. Section 3. Overcoming career challenges as a conscientious personality. 1. Avoiding over-perfectionism. Learn when good enough is enough to prevent analysis paralysis. Set realistic deadlines and avoid over-researching minor details. 2. Adapting to change. Develop flexibility by taking on projects with uncertainty. Learn to make faster decisions when necessary. 3. Enhancing communication and collaboration. Work on clear, concise communication to avoid over-explaining. Collaborate with different personality types to create well-rounded solutions. Section 4. How to maximize career success as a conscientious personality. 1. Leverage your strengths. Take on roles requiring high attention to detail and accuracy. Use data-driven decision-making to stand out in leadership. 2. Continuous learning and development. Stay updated with certifications and industry research. Build networking relationships with other professionals in your field. 3. Developing a strong professional reputation. Maintain a portfolio of detailed projects showcasing expertise. Publish research papers, case studies, or industry blogs. Conclusion: owning your career as a conscientious personality. A conscientious personality thrives in careers that require accuracy, structure, and logical problem solving. By understanding your strengths and aligning your career accordingly, you can maximize success and job satisfaction. Key takeaways: high C personalities excel in analytical, technical, and precision-based careers. Careers in science, engineering, finance, law, and IT are ideal fits. Success comes from leveraging accuracy and critical thinking while improving adaptability and communication. If you have a conscientious personality, embrace your strengths and carve a path to a fulfilling and impactful career. Like and subscribe for more career and personality insights from the Fulfilled Careers Institute. Which career path suits you best? Let us know in the comments.